want to find man get. Drop them set, them find me hard fear. Still I get the victory, the victory, the victory, yeah.
What can I say? I've gone from the view. Having a bad day, I'm running for.
No love now, show up badness a chop. New recruiter try if he broke him nut. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing pipe and cut out him gun. Boy, me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah, man, blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line. I speak about myself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, another man of peace. No, the night is over, night is drawing nigh. So, no, the day is over, night is drawing nigh. Yeah, on my way home from work, hard day at work, tired, beat out. But I don't know if you can see it on my face, you know. I don't know. You see it, work, I have to put in the work, I have to go work, to pay the bills, and look out for the kids and myself. So big up the hard working people out there, you know. Yeah, man, in this vlog, yeah, I want to talk about three situations. You know, Jamaican born singer was shot and killed in Guyana, and a young man shot and killed by the police at one part. That's sun catching, I think. Yeah. And also little Vybz, same in father, Vybz Kartel, needs urgent surgery. You know, his health is deteriorating. You see me? So we talk about all of that. I don't know the man of peace. See, never left the badge. And we now work with no lodge. See, we are forward.
Steady. What go on? It's your girl Sakaj, and I will be featured on Fire Looks open mic session right around the Vital Corner. So make sure you tune in because you don't know the vibes and the music will be immaculate. So make sure you tune in cause ramping done, see, determined to rise.
Yes, my people, my viewers and subscribers. So welcome back here, man. Not gonna stay long, but I just want to you them know say badness not pay and you know, I'm the man of peace and every day for the news. If I'm ready, I want a portion of Dan, alleged Dan dead in a police killing, you know. So I don't know if that trend there start up back again like with Ox and Tony Hewitt and Leng and them man, they see me. And they used to go and take out the Dan, them, you see me. Any man for your Dan, them come take you out. So, but then if that trend there start back again, you see me. But since week, a whole heap of Dan passed away, you see me. Police have take them out. So, yeah, man. First, let's talk about Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel, local Vybz, did an interview, I think, upon Fox News. And we see it in our paper as well, you know. So, his father health deteriorating and he need urgent assistance and, you know, medical assistance. You know, him of the disease, the Graves disease. Yeah, so what I don't know if you say. You know, his trial is coming up on the 10th to the 14th. I think it's a 4 or 5 day trial. Yeah, so fingers crossed and people are hope for the best. Somebody are gonna smile, somebody are gonna sad, somebody are gonna rejoice, and somebody are gonna you know, yeah, I go regret. You see me? Yeah, you see me? Right, Lucas? You know, so I don't know if you say I'm a viewer, health, you know, and we don't wish that upon no one and health, we say health over wealth. Zine, and you know, if he really needs assistance, I don't know how they're gonna work it out or they're gonna stay firm upon him and stern and still order the retrial if there's a case for him to answer to, or they're gonna just let him out. I don't know. But you know, they're saying his health is deteriorating, some heart problem, you know. Yeah, so wish him all the best. You see me? Next I'll talk about that brother named Hakeem Rizla Bowen. Zine. Yeah, the police take him out in his house and You know, they were dirty, you see me? And them say I'm part of a gang, I'm the leader for a gang, leader for the dump gang. You see me? And them take him out. But the residents, them and his families, them are saying something different. They are saying nothing like that, you know, them just come kill him cold-blooded, you see me? I can see the house with the blood on the floor, the blood stain on the floor and all of them things there. But at the end of the day, badness does not pay. You see, badness not pay. That's what I say. So the youths them, I have a song I say, look, listen now, you will learn. Playing a fire, you're going to get burned. Why I make when I'm done there, they think it's your turn. Come and give orders, you know? Yeah. Youths, you stay away from guns and gang and it not pay. You might live and last for a while, but jail house or dead house, and that's what going to result in. If under the police, you see me, are your enemies them, your rivals. I come dirt somebody for you. The badness not play. Please, I beg you, stay away from crime. You see it.
Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Yeah man, next now I talk about a brother Jamaican born in Guyana, you know. Yeah. Navarre. You know, goes by the name of Navarre. Police say they have arrested a taxi driver in connection with the death of the Jamaican-born singer Navarre George Barton, who was shot and killed on Thursday in Sofia, Greater Georgetown. Police said Friday that Barton, who was also resided in Sofia, was shot and killed at his home. They said he was shot in the head and that they retrieved 2 spent shells and 2 metal fragments. So you don't know forensic are going to run, and you know the taxi driver there, if him pull the trigger or somebody else pull the trigger, the DNA will be discovered on it, you know. But condolence to the brother here, you see it, Navarre. Boy, I tell you, sister, badness not pay at all. Badness does not pay. I don't know what altercation went down, but them say taxi man dirt him, but them hold on for the taxi man that do the dirt things, you see me? And Guyana, I think he resided in Guyana, but he was Jamaican born. You see me? John, But I just want to send my sincere condolence to the families, them relatives, loved ones in Jamaica and also in Guyana, you know. Again, you know, when I wish that upon no one. I love wishing unity and strength. You see me? Love, unity and strength. That's what I say. Stop the crime, stop the violence. It does nothing anywhere in the world. The whole Caribbean, Jamaica, Trinidad, Antigua, Guyana, everywhere, man. The whole diaspora, man. Let us live in love and unity. The man of peace and I big up myself. I go ahead and go get ready for watch the England game. You see me? Yeah, so I don't know peace, but I don't know. We are in the vlog and say please go and check out Sakaj.
She gives you energy and light. She opens up your mind. Sometimes she make you miss life. The drama, the hunger, the strife. Mary makes it feel like it's all alright. Cause she
I featured her yesterday on the platform. You see me? I'm wanting to go check out Tropical also.
I want to find man get drop them set them find me hard fear. Still I get the victory, yeah.
I featured him the other day. Bad talented artist where I do music but he needs some assistance, he needs help, he needs, you know, but put in the work. So go and check him out and give him some support. So I say, and give I and I some support too. Yeah, because I see a thing going on. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content. Please, share the content, please. Click the like button. Just do that for me, please. So YouTube can put it out there on the feed. Because I'm ready the channel now act. Me I work, but the people them now see it. You see me? So all enough to do is click the like button. So you say, blessed love.
Me non stop trying until me get that slide.